How you repair asphalt shingle roofing can change whether a warranty or an insurance policy will cover future damage. When you perform small repairs yourself on an asphalt shingle roof, you must follow the manufacturer recommended materials and procedures to avoid voiding a warranty. Start by documenting everything. Take dated photos before, during, and after the repair, save receipts for shingles and fasteners, and write a short narrative of the steps you took. Use only the same type and brand of shingles if the manufacturer specifies a match requirement, and follow the specified fastening pattern and sealing instructions that appear on the product data sheet. For insurance purposes, treat repairs as maintenance rather than replacements by keeping records that show the problem was minor and localized, which helps distinguish wear from sudden accidental damage. If a policy requires contractor invoices for larger claims, get a licensed roofer to inspect and provide a simple report so you have professional backing without committing to a full replacement. When in doubt, call the warranty helpline and your insurance agent to describe the repair before you start so you have their guidance on materials or methods that could affect coverage. Homeowners commonly assume that any repair automatically voids a warranty, but most warranties allow homeowner repairs if the proper materials and procedures are used. Avoid using mismatched shingles or non-recommended adhesives, and keep proof of correct products and steps. Another mistake is failing to document the condition before repair, which makes it hard to prove you fixed a discrete issue. Take clear dated photos and keep receipts to establish a paper trail. A third issue is not notifying the insurer when the repair could affect a later claim. A short phone call or email describing the work can prevent misunderstandings, and you can keep the agent's response as part of your file. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and offers resources about how repairs interact with warranties and insurance. We connect contractors with jobs and host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other.